My name is Arnon. I own and run a little outfit called Bridgetown Forge, and I do forge work. I create a variety of tools, cultural pieces, chef's knives, and Shonishin tools. I was apprenticed in Japan for quite a few years, and I also studied in Israel, and I've been in the shop here in Portland for the last 19 years. So whatever I do is informed by a variety of cultures. Certainly Shonishin tend to have a strong Asian flavor, I think. And all fun, and I like messing around with that and creating new shapes and new designs and new textures. So the process of making an engine is, pretty straightforward, but there are multiple steps. First, you select your material, in this case copper, cut it to the proper size, heat it in a forge, create a texture with a small hammer, and then draw out the material, elongate it and create the proper shape. After that, you straighten it, grind it, and polish it, going through finer and finer polishing wheels. Then there's a final inspection, and it's ready for use. In this video, you can see the process of coming up with a new massage tool. The material is stainless steel, and you can see us experimenting with different sizes, different shapes, and different textures, and then finishing and polishing these tools, trying to come up with the best possible shape to use in massage. And new tools are born. Sometimes they're very traditional tools, sometimes it's our take on very traditional tools, and sometimes they're brand new tools. It's all great fun.